Hello again. This is Jonathan with Sell House Columbus, and we are here today with Jeff. We are really happy that we were able to get to another deal done. And so, Jeff, let me ask you guys, how did you first hear about Sell House Columbus?
Oh, I was actually given one of those postcards from somebody who owned a property, and then I just simply Google searched the name, and it came up on a Facebook page of all things with a phone number. Dialed that number, and you answered the phone.
Perfect. And honestly, from dealing with us, how was your experience overall with working with Sell House Columbus?
I would say fantastic. I had been dealing with people. I'm a real estate investor, and so I deal with people who buy and sell properties. I deal with contractors, and I've had a lot of different experiences with a lot of different people. And Sell House Columbus not only impressed me in how personable they were, how easy to work with you all are, but also the way that you were seeing what's in front of you in such an objective way, with understanding what's going on in the market, so on and so forth. And I'd have to say that Sell House Columbus is one of the few companies that they were able to recognize exactly what it was that I was trying to do, what made it a win-win situation.
We paid attention.
Yes.
Well, good. That's our goal.
You knew more than other people, so you were able to get involved in the right way.
Good.
Yeah.
We've been around for a while, and when we say we're going to do something, we do our best to make that happen. And really happy that we're able to do that here with you today, Jeff. So, and lastly, if there's something you would like to tell someone else who is in a similar situation, looking to sell their home, what would you recommend or tell them about working with Sell House Columbus?
I would say, if you're somebody in my situation, you're an investor, you need somebody who is very savvy and knowledgeable about what different properties can offer, what they entail, what they involve, and more than anything, their potential in the context of the market. And that's really what Sell House was able to do for me. So Sell House Columbus could be good for a lot of different people, but if you're an investor, I would really suggest giving Sell House a chance. Give them a call, see what they can do, and make a decision based off of that, of course. But I found that experience to be good.
Good. Yeah. I love it. That's our goal, is to figure out a way to help everyone we come in contact with. So don't hesitate. Give us a call. You want to reach us on our web, you can reach us at sellhousecolumbus.com. And Jeff, congratulations.
Thank you.
Absolute pleasure working with you.
Thank you. You
and
too.
We're glad we got this done.
All right.
We'll see you next time.